welcome back. Once you've created your lesson plan in Almanack, you can use AI to add as many resources to your lesson plan as you would like. I'm in my lesson plan. The first thing I'm going to do is add resources to my whole lesson plan. I'm going to click Create using AI. You can also upload items with a link, attach a file, attach a video, or search for through the recommended videos that come up when you click. I'm going to click Create using AI. This gives me all of our resources that are available in Almanack for your students to learn from. Isn't that great? So I'm going to click Create using AI. And I'm going to create a choice board. I'm going to have it create a choice board based on one of our learning objectives. I can add instructions if I want, and then I'm going to click Create. This is going to generate a trench warfare choice board for my students, giving them several options of projects to choose from. I can regenerate if I'm not happy with it, or once it looks good, I can open it in our editor. And I can edit my choice board choices. I can also differentiate them by adjusting the reading level or translating them to a different language. I can also add resources directly to each part of my lesson. So I can add resources to the different sections of my lesson by clicking the Add Resources button and selecting which resource I would like to add. So maybe I want to add a video to this one. I'm going to click Attach to Lesson when I find the video I want to add. And then maybe I also want to add a worksheet. I'm going to ask it to create the worksheet from learning objectives, but you can have it create it from anything else on the list. And I'm going to click Create. I can cancel if I don't like it, or once it looks good, I can save it. Now, I have my 2 resources added to my lesson plan. They also show up under my resources for the lesson on the left. When I export this lesson plan, my resources come straight along with it from Almanack. I can click on them, and it'll take me to those resources. Isn't that cool? That's how you add resources to a lesson in Almanack. See you next time. Bye.